Just the other day, that's it. What she said? She has me right there. What we do? Yo, Street 2 TV. Yo, the UM TV. Tuna represent. See? Yeah, that's it. Last time passing. Modern vampires of the city. Until blood, blood, blood. Baby, you're so good. How do you tell me how big up money? Wake up! Who you? Oh, watch out! I'm getting so consciously made right there around the spot. I want you to want so tips up from baby jump right. Cause when you do something to me, and the shots out. I got to ask you what to use and you see, baby, tell me. I know when you do something to me, you shots, baby, you really up. I got to ask you, smells, I know. Why so funny? Seems I'm funny, baby, drop the right there. Slow to consciously irritated with this like I wanted to. Why so funny? Tick-tock funny, baby, drop the right. The skin really tight. The one like tight. Ladies, believe me. Sing, believe me. What she said? I got the room out for you. Reggae. I can do what I do too. Cause if you leave it, I'll be grieving. Wine so funny, take-top funny, baby, drop the leg. Move so soon, that's just sleeping right here around this one. I want you to 1, 2, 1 more time, watch it. Cause when you do something in 2 pieces and you shot. I got to ask you what to use on your skin, baby. Tell me how your skin suit. I got. Let me touch on that song tonight. I'm gonna say, girl, you want to just squeeze ya. Put the things right around ya. Can you hear me? Rock it up. We a king. We take it to the time anywhere. I'm gonna steal. Whoa. When you want to go, when you want to go, show me that you can't ride. You only want to go. Put the arms right up. Give me. I said, you only want to go. Gyptian from China here. Everybody has some. Everybody. What's on that song? Like a boss back when you want. Get ready for the ship. Even though you want to be fucking we are the control. And you press you want to answer. She's a more than this year. Everyone feels us warrior. Put me hands right there. Can you give me this like this one here for the theater? I'm a say, God, you want to just put the things right there. Yeah, you give me the. Yeah, I can tell you the key. Take it to the time and that's all right. When you want to go, when you want to go, like a force light on the road. Get money back and share. Give me money one day. Yeah. We are everybody. She said, more and more, and still she grows. Yeah. See, whoa. Tightest. Oh. Reggae Land, make some noise for Gyptian! Yo. Ladies, if you're ready to see Gyptian scream! Southport! Turn on the cameras! Yeah, I think I'm ready. Yeah, I think I'm ready. All my Gyptian ladies! Make we turn up Reggae Land! Make we turn up Reggae Land! I sing for them ladies. Oh, you ready? Oh me, oh my, but I got sexy, but I can't fly high. For the very first time, something on the way, is on the head high. I wish I could be violent, I'm pretty funny right. Mash up the whole of it. Everybody! I'm gonna bring it down, I'm gonna try to get it up. See you more. Oh me, now she says that this is how I'm feeling it. Hold up. Oh me. This is how I want it. This is how when it's so tight, you don't let go. You take it like it can go. This is all the best of the break, you know. Best friend she never know. She can look my style, she love my clothes. And I'm the places, she don't let you go. This is how she wants. On me, when she sings my life, this is how I'm feeling it. Hold up. Don't miss it again. Reggae Land. What the beautiful girls up there? Yeah. What are you yelling down there? What the Jamaican people down there? And we sing for the girls then. All my original Gyptian fans from that time then. Let me see you out in the ear. I'm not talking about the new fans. Yes, they honor. Yes, yeah. That time then. I'm sexy girl. Said I want you. What she said? Said I want to. To give you some time. Even when you go away. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. so far me go, she said she read that then that's all. And she now let go, but she said she not there. No matter so far me go, she said she read that then that's all. And she now, but oh she did not move like a acrobat. When oh tell me how she do that. Right now girl I see you move like a gymnastic. But your moves are fine and fantastic. And the girl your band is incredible. Spin for Gyptian like a 30. Gyptian summer in trouble. I go. When no man so far me go, she said she read that the castle. And she not me go, but she said she not it. When no man so far me go, she said she read that. Watch out, watch out, watch out, smart. Like a bunch of release, come wine and stop. I want now when she get a style like that. I mean not ever love her stuff in it. But she know she right here, girl. The whole of her put she on a real stable. I know you love that brother like you. But they would have had, if they would have got it. When no man so far me go, she said she read like the castle. When I she not let go, and she said she not. When no man so far me go, she said, what's that? What's up? What's up? I never see another girl like this way. And I do want to get there because the English girls are with me. I got yeah. When I'm so far me, she said she read that then that's all. When she got the she said she when I'm so far me go, she said she read that then. And she not in that job. Nah, let go. No, nah, let go. No. Hey! Nice fight, good time. Regular. Yeah. What is that? That's the right number. Hey.
Gyptian, you look like you might have to go another crowd for this one.
Oh, you. Tell you. Baby.
Which one?
Oh, you.
Which one?
Tell me
We have got all the people. If you want to hear that tune again, somebody say,
what we gonna do now? Tell you, baby, you look so good. Tell me how big up money. Wake up. Oh, you. Watch out. Consciously be the right thing around this life. I want you to want so things are from me, jump the line. Consciously be the right thing. Does it interest me to these other shots out? I got to ask you what to use and you see, baby, tell me. I got when it just so people to use the shots. Baby, you really love. I got to ask you, stars, my God, check, why so funny, things are funny, baby, drop me like that, slow to, consciously, irritated, that's like, I want you to, why so funny, things are funny, baby, drop me like the skin really tight. You are my type.
ladies,
Believe me.
sing.
Believe me.
What she said?
I got the room out for you.
Reggae.
I can do what I do too. Cause if you leave me, I'll be grieving. Why so funny? Things are funny. Baby, drop the line. I'm so that's just me. One more time, what's that? Cause when you dress up in your two-piece and your short shot, I got to ask you what to use on your skin, baby. Tell me your skin suit.
We need to make sure you're ready to sing along. So this is what we're gonna do while you're getting ready. I'm gonna sing a line, you're just gonna repeat the same line after me. I will make sure everybody's ready to go. I know the next artist is gonna make you sing along, alright? So if I say 5 plus 1 that equals 10. Don't be shy.
Don't let them see, cause people like to talk. Oh no, and I agree. I don't want no trouble. Oh no, she invests in cheating. She's the definition of toxic. And me just keep on showing. Since that does me never be free. She implicit. I can come over tonight and do the whatever. We can start outside and just make your way over. She wanna come outside and do it just like whatever. Wait till it start right tonight and just make your way. That's just that person. Look right there, so earlier on, yeah. I see you little ones. Yeah. Yeah. I see you little ones. Yeah. Some little ones in the crowd. So regardless, still PG-13, same age. You understand? So yeah, big up more. Up.
All my beautiful ladies,
Oh, look like I'm not sure. Ladies, let me just scream for Gyptian. From that time until now, who to know? Some of you guys that will come from this song. Let me just, ladies. I got. Just the other day. That's it.
what she said?
She has me right there. What we do? Ladies, let me just scream for Gyptian. Oh gosh. Yeah. From then until now, couple years. Hey.
Who grew up on some of these songs? Put your hands in the air right now. Who grew up on some of these songs until here? Gyptian
Right there.
I want to hear you in the crowd.
I'm the happiest man in the because I am. And I promise you, man, I'm gonna take you on to the road. She said, and I said, you don't need tonight. She said, never feel so. And I said, yeah, my baby, no, you don't need. Just the other day, said I'm too sweet for you. She asked, and I told her it's me that's like, see boy, from everybody. And I said, baby, she said, I don't want you to tell you that I give it to you so easy. I said, Reggae, now you know that you don't need to worry. She said, watch out! Smooth and easy. Right direction to the else. Yeah? 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 Reggae! Where's that? We have some tribute, you know. Yeah. Yeah. We have some great ones that pass on. You sing over some of the song them. Hey. 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 Yeah. As Melina said, I want to show some. Hey, how are you acting for? How are you acting for? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now. We're going to drop some tribute to them. See some local young ones. Whenever I hear them sing here, the phone time I know. Yeah, you too, you. Yeah, rap. Yeah. Rasta Leo's nice and easy. Everybody there. All my people steering. Spinning! Let me hear say yeah. Whoa. Say yeah. Nah. And I say yeah. Whoa. Say yeah. It's nice and easy. That's the vibes of music. Everybody come out to the peaceful and nice, you know? Yeah, man. Spinning, ready? Who is ready to party? I say, girl, you want to just squeeze, yeah? Put the things right around, yeah? Yeah, you give me. We don't care. We take it to your time anywhere. I'm gonna steal. What? Chuck. When you want to go, when you want to go, show me that you can't ride. Yeah, you want to go. Put the arms right up. Can't you give me? I say, yeah, you want to go. All two sounds from China here. Everybody has some. Everybody. What's the next song? Like a first back on the road. Everybody got that shit. Everybody want to be fucking we are the control. I won't press you on to the next one. She said, walk one more and still she goes. Everyone features warrior. Put the arms right around. Can you give me the type this warrior for the theater? I'm gonna say, everyone features. Put the things right around. You wanna give me the Yo, bring it on, come on, make some noise for Gyptian. I can't hear you, I cannot hear you. I said, regular, make some noise for Gyptian. And you give me the title. Right now, what a lovely time. Everybody having a good time, yes?